Hey friends, Chef Lee here. Of all the green vegetables, kale is my favorite. It is loaded with all sorts of vitamins and lots of plant fiber. Today, I'll be making a mixed kale salad with balsamic vinaigrette. Start with the butternut squash, cut it into half, and place the cut side down on a sheet pan into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to an hour. Then check to make sure if they are soft when the timer is done. Next, for the vinaigrette, instead of the classic 3-to-1 ratio, I use only 2-part oil, 1 part balsamic vinegar. Been watching videos on YouTube with a simple jar method, so I like to give it a try. Add in maple syrup, salt and pepper to taste. Honestly, I think it was okay. But if you're like me who prefer an even consistency, it is best to use a food mixer. I think this method works the best if you're gonna serve it immediately and making in small batches. But let me show you another way. And I do this a lot in the restaurant. So exactly the same measurement, 2-part oil, 1 part vinegar. And then I'm gonna just blast it with a food processor, adding our extra virgin olive oil slowly. So the next thing, and I'm gonna add some xanthan gum. Xanthan gum actually works as a bonding agent. It holds the dressing together and it keeps the vinaigrette from separating over time. I recommend you give it a try if you're planning to make a lot and store it for later. If you're first time here, I'm Chef Lee, and this channel is all about recipes, cooking techniques, and learning how to cook like a pro in your own kitchen. If you are interested in any of the topic I just mentioned, please consider subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my future content. Also, I want to give a shout out to all my lovely subscribers. I just passed 100 subscribers just last week. Thank you so much again for liking my channel. Moving on with the butternut squash and cut them into small cubes. And next I'm going to grind some pistachio nuts. I think they're great to add more flavor to the salad. For the salad itself, I'm using baby kale, arugula, microgreens, heirloom tomato, black olives, and then just put some pistachio powder, a little bit of vinaigrette, and give it a quick mix. If you're using the regular size kales, I would recommend you cut it first and then rinse it under cold water. It will help to get rid of some of that bitterness from the kale. Ready to plate, add more pistachio powder on the plate for more flavoring, and then also some pomegranate, whole pistachio nuts for different texture. And finally, we're ready to enjoy this super healthy and delicious mixed kale salad.
Hi, Chef Lee here. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are about the video. If you have any questions and feedback regarding this recipe, I would love to hear from you. Please follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you all next time.